Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. There are tons of creative ways to customize your clothes to make them look unique. By customizing your clothes, you are making it into pieces which are truly yours. These are just some of the methods you can use to personalize your clothes. In this first project, I'm going to use star studs. You may want to lay your studs out to get an idea of how many studs you will be using and the pattern you will make. Force the stud through the material, then fold the prongs down. The iron-on transfer method is a simple way to apply designs to your clothing. Place the transfer onto the clothing in the location you want the design. Press the iron firmly onto the transfer for 15 or 20 seconds. Using embroidery, you can quickly add fun and colors to any particular piece. I'm going to create a zigzag pattern using the darkest color. Then, using the lightest color, I'm going to follow the same pattern. And this is the final result. Do you customize your clothing? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.